Welcome back, guys. Another video in our playlist JavaScript. So we will go forward to learn more and more about JavaScript object. Okay, let's start together. Okay, this is our Visual Code. This is our file index.js. Okay, now we make some tests or some attempt in order to update object or add new objects. First of all, we make an update for the name field. Okay, we make outside the object.name equals to Alex. Okay, it's updated successfully. Good job. Okay, you can make small comment. Okay, update the value of the property, name property, or for the existing property if you want. Okay, it's just to clarify things. Okay, good job. Congratulations, it's updated successfully. Okay, for now, we can add our field if you want. Okay, reach it together. Okay, now if you want, we can add, for example, the last name field, object.last name, like so. Okay, last name equals to Smith. Here's just an example in order to understand more and more. Okay, we see that we haven't the new field on the object. Okay, for now, if you want, you can make comment the updating name. Okay, then if you want, we can log all the object to see it on the console. Okay, let's save and see together. Okay, congratulations, the object is displayed successfully on the console. The name is the same. Okay, and we have the last name added to the object. Okay, good job. Make a small comment. Add the new property. Okay, having a value and k, like so. Okay, good. Sounds good. Okay, for now we make an attempt or make test to add a new function to our global object. If not, we can name it get full address function. The syntax is like so. It's so simple. Okay, we will return the field address. Okay, use the object literal we learned on previous lesson. Okay, we will use the object.address .city in order to point exactly on the city. Okay, same thing for the country, object.address.country. The syntax is very simple and is very clear. We use always the $sign and the curly brackets. Okay, for the final field, okay, use the object.address.street. Okay, like so. Good job, puppy. Okay, save and see together. Okay, now if you want, we can access to our function using object.getFunction. Okay, she's here, display successfully. If you want, you can console log. You can log get the full address in order to see the complete result. Okay, good job. This is the complete result of our function. It's displayed correctly. Good job. Okay, for now we can add a small text inside the log. The function is there. Okay, congratulations, it's displayed successfully. The function is there and it is the content of the function. Okay, good job. Help up below this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I will see you next video.